I'm back. I know you missed me since then for a long time, but now that I'm here, let's move on. Shall we? This would be Sean fishing. But this would be the library, and the books, Skyrim, all that good, holy stuff. Loving it. I'm loving it. Right now it's a tour, so I can't really learn right now. That would just take too long. And yeah, but from the library, you can make your way over to Beit Midrash, aka base. This is the base. There's tables. Everyone has their own makom. My makom is actually over there where those people are, but they are learning ever so nicely. I know, it's a wonderful thing to see people learning in the base. Also, isn't our base beautiful? I've seen some other ones and they're kind of, didn't want to say anything, but ours, beautiful. Loving it. Loving it. There's also some more over here because it will be a proper Beit Midrash, if they're not. If you think you might recognize that, hold on, that, and you think it's backwards, and really, that door leads to the Chadar Ochel. But they don't keep that open because they don't want us passing through all the time. It's closed. Not cool. But whatever. We manage. We can leave this now. Kind of fun. People are learning. Say, ever so nicely. We also shall remain nameless, so I don't have to interrupt them. We have over there, Lisa, the invite. Go meet her. I'm making a video for my family because they're actually coming this year to see me, so I'm touring the school. Lisa, hi, my family. This would be Lauren Davidson. She is from England. These would be Elisa's children. They are adorable beyond anything.
Moshe Chaim, do you love Didi?
Yeah. Thank you, Moshe Chaim. I love you too. Elisa. I will see you later. Watch these six. You don't want to trick someone, okay?
Should we not eat that? It's bigger than you.
Alright. Next destination. Hi, you thought I was going to go there. I'm going to really see you in 2 minutes. Okay.